Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Sayan, and I'm in the Apple Store right now. So it's technically not an Apple Store, but it's a section of like Apple Store. But yeah, today we are gonna be seeing the new releases, September 2025. Let's get started. All right, we got to the iPhones. This is the 17 Pros. This is the 17 Air. Really thin, honestly. And we got the iPhone 17. And what is the upgrade? It has always on display, which no one talked about this phone. Really great, honestly. I'll show you. There's a lot of upgrades. And this is the first time I was trying iOS 26. Like, I've never experienced iOS 26. I've never installed any betas. So I'll show you liquid glass if you want to see it. Look at that. That's so satisfying. Oh my god. That is really satisfying, honestly. This is iOS 26 and the iPhone 17. This phone finally gets a 120Hz display. It was from the backlash of the iPhone 16 only having 60Hz in 2024. Okay, let's talk about the 17 Air. Good, it's thin. It's like an S25 Edge. It has one camera instead of two, like the S25 Edge. The camera's actually on this side of dynamic island stuff here. I don't know why, it's pretty weird, but I figured that out. Look at this, the camera from iOS 26. Look at this. That's so satisfying. Like the liquid glass is like it's like expressive, honestly. That's called innovation. They innovated the software and their phones. Great move, Apple. Now let's move on to the 17 Pros. This is the 17 Pro. Nice, great. This is the 17 Pro Max. It's a really good phone. Oman, they used to be like physical SIM phones. Now it's an eSIM phone because of that bar. And Mr. Boss called it a forehead. Okay. Nothing much. It's just some big upgrade. This phone actually has better thermal and cooling, and they added a built-in vapor chamber onto this thing. And this bar looks really cool. You can store everything in this bar. This is the only part which is glass is this. The whole body is made out of aluminium instead of titanium. Yay, now we are back to the iPhone 7 days. Nice. A pretty cool phone. Kinda love it. What do I love the most? Well, the regular iPhone 17, because this thing looks like a 16 Pro, honestly. With the back, 17. It kind of looks like a 16. They didn't innovate the base model. They already did it last year. And last year they didn't even innovate the Pro. They just created these masterpieces. Great. Alright, the Apple Watches. Series 11. Let's be real, nothing has changed in this watch. This is the Ultra 3. This watch bezel is actually really thick. Like, it's pretty cool. WatchOS 26, blah blah blah. You could literally get WatchOS 26 on an Apple Watch Series 6. You don't need to buy the latest Apple Watch. Or if you can, we'll show you the next Apple Watch. Apple Watches. This is the Apple Watch SE 3, and what feature I like the most? Let me demonstrate this feature for you. See? It has always on display. Now you can see it has always on display. That's crazy. That's actually nice to have in an Apple Watch. So, great watch. Great budget watch. Don't buy the SE2. I know it's cheaper, but you can buy this. This has always on display. How is it not bad? Oh, if you're wondering about the AirPods, nothing has changed except the AirPods Pro 3. Just buy an AirPods Pro 2, honestly. Don't buy these until and unless you want the upgrades or you're from an AirPods Pro 1. So yeah, these are the products which it was released on September. It's a really good upgrade, especially the 17 Pro, and the 17 Air new phone. I don't know if it compete with the S25 Edge. I wonder, can you bend it? We don't know about that. It'll just be forgot. If you want a budget phone, or you can just get an iPhone 16. I would just mostly recommend the 17. Either way, thanks for watching. Have a great time and make the right buying decisions. That is very important, honestly.